This video will cover how to see what documents are checked out and how to check them back in both Worldox GX4 Cloud and Worldox GX4 Enterprise. When using Worldox Cloud and Worldox Enterprise, opening a document checks that document out so that you can use your workstation's native applications to view and edit the documents. When you close the document, after saving your changes of course, Worldox will automatically check in the document for you. However, if you close Worldox before closing your document, or if you have an internet connectivity problem that closes Worldox prior to the documents being checked back in, they will maintain their checked out status and you must manually check those back in. Before we get started, you'll need your Worldox user ID. Here's how to find it. If you right-click on the Worldox icon in the system tray by the clock and choose About Worldox, you'll be able to see your Worldox user ID in the Environment section. My Worldox user ID is Demo. That will be handy in a moment. Now, here's how to find your checked out documents. In Worldox, select the Cabinet button and choose all of them. Now, in the Owner Inits field, you're going to type the slash, the letter C, the word and, your user ID. In my case, Demo. Now I'm going to choose to search. This will show me all documents that are checked out by me, Demo. If you'd like to do a search for all documents that are checked out, regardless of the user, you can remove the and demo from the end here and just type a /C and search. Now we'll talk about how to check our documents in. To check your documents in, you can select them all by choosing Control and the letter A on your keyboard and choose Check In. Now we'll remove our exclusive lock on the file and click OK. That checks your documents back into Worldox. For the most part, you'll only be allowed to check in your own documents. However, if you have manager rights, you can check in other documents as well. If you have users that have left your firm and are unable to check in their documents, feel free to email us at support@trumpetinc.com and we'll check those in for you. Thanks and have a great day.